Triangles EFG and JKL are congruent, where E, F, and G correspond to J, K, and L respectively. The measure of angle E is 45 degrees, and the measure of angle F is 20 degrees. What is the measure of angle J? So let's draw out these two triangles. We're told that they are congruent, so the first triangle is E, let's draw that better, E, F, G, and the second triangle is J, K, L. So E corresponds to J, F corresponds to K, and G corresponds to L. That's why they said EFG correspond to JKL respectively. So the measure of angle E is equal to 45 degrees, and the measure of angle F is equal to 20 degrees. So that must mean that angle J is 45 degrees and angle K is 20 degrees, because we're told that these two triangles are congruent. So each corresponding angle in both of the triangles are equivalent or congruent. So we need to find the measure of angle J. And we're told that angle E corresponds to angle J because EFG correspond to JKL. So we know that E is 45 degrees, so that must mean that J is 45 degrees. So the correct answer is B.